Hello and welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're into cameras, phone cameras, pocket gimbal, stuff like that, and if you've been on the internet over the last couple of months, there's no way you missed the launch of this guy here, the Insta360 Luna Ultra. I was able to get a package from Costco. Now, I believe this also comes with a microphone. To be honest, I haven't watched any unboxing videos. So we're going to do a quick unboxing and see what makes the Costco package here in the US so different. Also, if you're a DJI fan and you happen to be here in the US, well, there's no Pocket 4 for us. There's no Pocket 4P for us. But from whatever little I've read about this guy, supposedly really, really good. All right, let's do a quick unboxing. Here goes. Happy birthday to me, an early happy birthday. I am a 4th of July baby. So, all right. Well, all right. So here it is. First thing we get in here is a carry bag. So the Costco package, even though it's not the creator package, this package was, I think, $764 plus the tax on it, whereas the creator combo is, I'd say, about $950 or something like that, close to $1,000. But the one from Costco does come with the wireless microphone with it. So yeah, that's a saving of, I'd say, at least $150 right there. Anyway, this is your black mist filter here, and yep, here's the mic air. So this is awesome. And I mean, I don't know if you have a Costco in your country or you don't, but that's the way to go, because it just launched at Costco and you're still getting all the stuff that you need. And here is our star of the show here. All right, so let's open this real quick. Here's our microphone. The Insta360 just launched these microphones. So here is the user manual for the microphones. And wow, this comes in a nice own carry pouch. Yep. So this would be our wind muff. Yep. You've got your charging cables over here, USB Type-C. This microphone, I guess, yep, this is how you would charge it. It's got a magnetic clip to it. Okay, so here goes, and there is the camera itself. It comes kind of like a protective case around it. It's all plastic. And I guess you would open it. Yep, there it is. This is awesome. So this is the creator combo that I got from Costco. This is awesome. I didn't realize I was doing that. Now look, if you are in America and if you have a Costco, I wouldn't even recommend buying it from their website, because this would be the way to go. I mean, think about it, right? You're getting the creator combo. It's like $150, $170 in savings right away. That's awesome. Okay, let's see what's under the thing. Okay. All right, so we've got an extra handle. This is not a battery handle, but it's just an extra handle that you could connect to your camera. Okay, let's just open this camera here. Okay, so there it is with its screen, buttons, the extra buttons that they've given. And yeah, this is also a remote. Actually, this can also serve as a remote. So yeah, lots to kind of digest over there. Okay, and then this is our cable and the tutorial in here. So there it is, our charging cable and our wrist strap, and of course the manual that is in there. Guys, real quick, I'm also going to be doing a tutorial on this. I'm going to make lots of videos with, and this feels pretty solid. I've also got the Muse and the Pocket 3, but this just feels heavier. I haven't felt the Pocket 4, so it's hard for me to say. But yeah, this just feels a lot more solid than at least the Muse and the Pocket 3. All right, so I'm quickly, and should I take this off, guys? Shall I take this off? No, we'll keep this on for the time being. But yeah, if you want to see, this is our charging port over here, our screen, our cameras with dual lenses. So it's got the two lenses, the 1x and the 3x telephoto lens on this. There it is. Really, really cool. All right, I'm going to make a quick tutorial on this as well, and we're going to have lots of fun with this one. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.